Hey everyone, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel. And here I come to you with a smashing offer. Okay, so it is a Black Friday Academy offer. So welcome to my Black Friday Academy review. Ta-da! Now, seriously, I'm so excited to be sharing this offer with you. It's by one of my favorite vendors, Neil Napier. Neil Napier is a super experienced guy, a true software developer with, tons and years. I mean, well over a decade, probably 2 decades of experience. I'm not gonna be I don't want to give you a false information as to how many years of experience he has, but many, many, many. Okay, he has put together amazing softwares, always very practical, good quality softwares. He launches them mainly on JVZoo, but this offer actually, guys, his latest offer called Black Friday Academy, which is really like a collection. I'll show you. I'm right inside of the members area, so I'll show you all of the 33 products you're getting here, guys, for one-time price of $47 for all of the different softwares, all of his products, his courses. So it's like a massive 99.9 probably discount. Okay, it's like a Black Friday deal. So the value is probably insane, but my point is that he launches his products normally on JVZoo, okay? But this one specifically has been launched on this platform called Pay Kickstart. Now, I had to create an affiliate account because I have never promoted any products from this platform, but it's quite a nice platform. As I can see, I like the clean look of it. As you can see, this is the first one I am, promoting from this platform by Neil Napier, and it's called Black Friday Academy again. So guys, if you purchase this product, and by all means, I am promoting it, I'm loving this offer. Okay, I'm sure you will love it too, and you will see the value of it as we go through everything. So the link to this sales page will be right below my review. And guys, don't forget to get my free courses, amazing courses as well. All of the links will be in the description below right before below this review. Okay, now let's go through the sales page first. I'm not going to get carried away in this review, don't worry. I'll just go straight to the point because I know I have a tendency to get carried away. Never mind, this one will be sweet and short. I just want to show you what you will be getting here, and guys, grab it while the deal is on. So it is going on. The deal it started today, so today is the 11th of Friday, so it's probably for a period of 10 days, something like that. I think the last day is on the 20 something of November, so you have some time, guys, to pick it up for this outrageously low price of 47 bucks. And there is only one upsell, and that is going to be this one. We'll talk about it in a sec, but let me focus on the front end first and show you what you will get. Okay, it's like a membership site, so you will have all of the courses nicely put together on that site. Right, so they say on the sales page, breaking news, Neil Napier announces outrageous offer. It is predicted to be the absolutely best offer in online business ever. For the very first time, 8-figure online business expert, told you, he's amazingly experienced and, a multi-millionaire, so, it's a guy you want to learn from. So anyhow, Neil Napier will let you grab his best courses, trainings, and knowledge worth over $12,000. So individually, if you wanted to buy them for the full price, that would be the, total value. But it's like, it's a flash sale, I would say. So a Black Friday deal. for just a fraction of a regular price. Okay, so this is the one. So guys, watch this video, read about Neil Napier. This is the guy, super cool guy, super legit. I mean, he's a software developer. He used to work before he became an entrepreneur. Really, he used to work for a software company. He's saying, like, in many of his courses, that he had this comfortable position, and then the recession came, he lost his job, and that from then on he embarked on this journey of creating his own business, and he's got years and years of experience. So just click on this yellow button if you wish to purchase this offer, and that's going to take you again, guys, to Pay Kickstart. So you need to create an account to access your product. Okay, so here are all of the courses, so check this out, guys. Many of them courses, all sorts of like products, softwares, and go through the sales page, please, by yourself. It would take me like the whole hour or more to go through every single course and explain what it's all about and this and that. But as you can see, 33 courses. I will show you inside of the members area more what they look like, how they are structured. Excuse me. And this and that. And he's saying here he's not even halfway done. So invisible funnels, core. Guys, 33 courses. I'm just scrolling through the sales page, so $47 for now, one-time price. And again, you get 2 weeks, so 14 days money back guarantee, so 2 weeks. Okay, guys, but I would really say make sure you want the offer, okay, before you decide to buy it. I'll show you everything, because it's kind of like not cool, to grab the knowledge and then after 2 weeks ask for a refund. Make sure you want it. And this is good value, this is good quality, so it's not like a scammy product I'm, pushing onto you here. I don't do it in the first place. I don't know if you know my channel or not. But yeah, I try and not beat around the bush and only bring the best products to light. And you know that I expose many scams on my channel too. But when something is outrageously great, I say it. And this is quite an offer. And now, before perhaps I show you the upsell is $67, one-time price only, so 47 front end. Okay, guys. And this one is like a webinar. Okay, let me show you the OTO before I show you the members area. So the OTO number 1 is like, here they say, get the ultimate business growth cheat code on the exclusive live workshop, guys. It's going to be a live workshop, so $67 for this one. And from here you will learn from the experts. So for our in-depth training, they will walk you through each product so you know exactly what they are, the products in the front end, these ones, all of them, okay, and which you should jump into first. So you will get like a very hands-on advice during this 4 hours workshop. Now, there's gonna be like a live chat available. So during the live session, you'll be able to ask questions and get clarifications. It's for serious people, obviously, guys. It's for serious people. Neil Napier is a serious guy, so it's for the right person. It's an amazing offer. And then you get the complete recordings. The entire 4-hour webinar will be recorded and made available for you to watch anytime you want, okay? So this is a coaching session, guys, 4 hours, so it's OTO number 1, you see. Proper, good quality, like upsell, not some nonsense that we come across many times on Warrior Plus, right? Okay, so this is $67 one-time price, and again, this is when the workshop is gonna take place. So it's going to be on November the 18th of November at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's New York time, I believe, right? Okay, and I guess if you miss, obviously you'll get the full access to the recording anyway, so you can watch it later if it's not like the if from a different time zone and all of that. Okay, so now let me show you the inside of the members area. So this is a membership site, and check this out. Okay, that's where this is the home. We are in the home section here. This is the product. So all of the products you see here. Okay, 33 products again. Oh my days, wow, a lot to go through, but if you want to embark on a entrepreneur journey, okay, if that's something you want to do, guys, you want to get started and like you're serious about it, then you get a lot of knowledge here, so much you can learn from Neil Napier. But obviously, this is not gonna make you money. What's gonna make you money is what between your ears, so your brain, okay, the right mindset are gonna make you money. So you will have to put it into action. But you have access to amazing knowledge here. And yeah, if you only are willing and have the whatever to take advantage of it and to put it into action, it would be quite something. Okay, now as you can see, so the survey salesman, the validation funnel, the software development road, and I'm just gonna open just some of them for you just to show you how they are structures, but let me just show you all of the products. So my first 1000 5-day live something design agency blueprint, 4 pillars for a successful membership site, and then we have membership creation playbook, email writing playbook, 21-day recurring machine, building a recurring business, product creation bootcamp, funnel ramp, and then pitch perfect positioning, powering up with content marketing, overnight products seller, 30-day membership launch, evergreen funnel training, full creation playbook, course curator, run crypto, product creation blueprint, Insta business about Instagram, I'm not too sure, 101, customer journey, agency overnight list success, business in the times of pandemic, side hustle collective replays, rapid hashtag traffic. I'll go through them for sure. I mean, how cool is it as an affiliate? I get free access to it. How cool. Well, get yourself into the affiliate marketing, guys. Don't forget to grab my courses and you will be on this side too. It's fun. Okay, the challenge funnel sales email writing bootcamp replays, webinar income machine, systemized lifestyle, list building bootcamp. Are you seeing the value of it? Invisible funnel, 6-4 foundation masterclass, influencer marketing, cold email agency, video marketing vault, Whitelabel sales mastery, content marketing vault, crypto rounders, email deliverability and writing, crazy little funnels, Black Friday Academy, social community secrets, and last but not least, I think that's the repetition. It seems to me like it was the first one he showed on. It was shown as the first training course as well. I don't know, I might be wrong. But let me just open up one of them. So let's say just create little funnels, crazy little funnels. So you access the product here. And then as you can see, you have the whole product inside of it, okay? You see? So you have 7 lessons, and if I open this one, start lesson, It's gonna take you inside of the members area. As you can see, this is Napier. So you have so many links to bonus pages, this and that, inside of every single of those courses. And yeah, if I open it up, check this out, how many videos you have inside. So this one is about building your funnel, and he's gonna give you ideas and tools on how to do it. He's email automation. My goodness, I mean, so much knowledge. But as I said, this is for serious people because it can get overwhelming. Okay, for the wrong person who doesn't know what to do with it, they'll just waste the $47. So if you just guys want to put it aside and not put it into action, I would say don't buy it, because what's the point of wasting your $47 on something you will never get to do? Okay, so don't just make it like an addition to your collection of the products you have bought in the past and never used, never put into action. Having said that, I could not skip this offer because it's outstanding. It's outrageously valuable, but only for the right person. So again, the front end $47, guys. The OTO number 1, which is the upsell, 67 one-time fees, and that's all. And you access it through this platform called Pay Kickstart. Create an account. In the description box you'll also find a link to the free courses, amazing courses I have tried myself on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. They're all completely free. Now if you don't want to grab this insane deal, no worries. Okay, if it's not for you, it's not for you. If you don't have the head for it, but I would strongly encourage you, just get these courses and get yourself started with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is quite a lucrative business model, and it's going to, you will have to put your head in the game, and you have to be serious and consistent and determined and all of that. It's not gonna make you money from tomorrow and all of the nonsense the gurus are talking about, but there is so much potential. Only after I have been doing this for 18 months now, consistently. I had my breaks too. So this is the thing, if you have your break, if you need a break, take one, okay? Take one, but don't quit, okay? When I was taking my breaks, I was also doing a lot of research at the back. Nobody knew about it because I wasn't uploading videos, but I was doing so much research, and I pushed through, and the only way is forward, isn't it? And now I really I see the results. I'm starting getting commissions on regular basis here and there on different platforms, and it's nice, and it's accumulating, it's adding up, and it's only gonna get better from now on because I am more experienced. I really have my eye on the prize, so to speak. So it's exciting times ahead, and these courses precisely really kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey, and they are completely free, and the vendor is insane insanely funny too, insanely knowledgeable and all of that. So yeah, that's something on the side if you want to do it. If you want to try them, pick up the courses, and this offer is also insanely valuable in my opinion. Okay, that's all. I'm not gonna get carried away anymore, as I promised. And yeah, love you, leave you. The link to this offer, to this deal, will be below my review in the description box. Guys, any questions, comments, drop them down below. I'll get back to you as I see them. I always do, and all of that. Bye, love you, and leave you. Bye bye.